You know what I mean? Like, but you still have faith, right? You still have values. You knew how far to go. I remember when I was little, my mom had me shook about God. She used to be like, God sees all. I think she was doing that to make sure I was staying out of trouble. But I would be like, Dad, I can't. Like, I would go throw something in the trash. I still do this now sometimes. I'll throw something in the trash, and if I miss it, then I'll be ready to walk away. And sometimes I'll be like, let me it's different things like that. So certain things that you learn when you're younger, you still practice that. Like, you don't want that to stop. Like, it's so crazy how you think sometimes, because you don't want that one little thing, not the trash, but to stop God from blessing. You know, anybody ever feel that way? Like, oh, if I do this. But God, we think of God as people, but not as God. God ain't doing that. He got time. He's doing all this other stuff for everybody in here, you know. But we think like that. We think like God is like a person. Like, oh, he ain't going to be, well, he ain't going to do that because I didn't do this. I didn't come to the baby shower. Now she ain't coming to my birthday party. You know what I mean? But God isn't. But it's so interesting how the life is set up and designed and how we think, even though we know better, right? So true leadership